Vivo has launched its new affordable phone under Y series in India called Vivo Y20A, and it is the downgraded version of the earlier launched Vivo Y20 smartphone with similar design. Talking about the specifications, the new Vivo Y20A supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f1.8 aperture. At the back, the phone houses a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Vivo Y20A comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset paired with Adreno 505 GPU. The smartphone packs with single 3GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on latest Android 11 with FunTouch OS 11 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging, and it is claimed to offer up to 17 hours of online HD movie playback and 10 hours of gaming. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y20A has been priced in India at 11,490 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from January 2nd in Nebula Blue and Dawn White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y20A smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSoulBug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.